The perineal massage, a hotly debated topic that is well worth mentioning. One midwife might swear by it, another will say it's ineffective. Today we're going to see what the data has to say about the perineal massage, and by the end of this video, you will be able to make an evidence-based decision as to whether it is right for you and your natural birthing goals. Hello, my name is Maria. I'm a Lamaze-certified childbirth educator and owner of the app Natural Birth by Echo, a free resource with all of the tips and tricks you need to make your unmedicated birth a positive one. So first of all, what is the perineal massage? It's a technique that involves stretching the skin of the perineum during late pregnancy to theoretically reduce the risk of tearing and facilitate a faster recovery postpartum. It includes regular stretch sessions of about 5 to 10 minutes beginning at around week 35 of your pregnancy, and that's the rundown. The next obvious question, does it work? Does it actually work to reduce vaginal tearing? And the answer is yes, but also no. Let's get into it. A 2006 systematic review found that first-time moms randomly assigned to the perineal massage did have a 10% decrease in the risk of a severe vaginal tear. So yes, it does seem that it will minimize your risk by about 10%, and with that comes lower rates of episiotomies as well as perineal trauma requiring stitches. Awesome. But note that I said first-time moms. I'm sorry if you're a second-time mom and beyond, I know your pain, but the perineal massage was not found to hold any benefits for us during labor. So if you are expecting your first baby, congratulations. Consider the perineal massage a new motherhood gift to you from your body. However, I do have some good news for us mamas of multiples. Although the review did not show that we benefit during labor, second-time moms who did the massage had less ongoing perineal pain at 3 months postpartum. This means that simple things like walking, working out, intimacy, this will be much easier, much sooner, all thanks to the massage. And take it from someone who had a really difficult postpartum experience, any little boon will go a long way. So now that we know that the perineal massage does carry some benefits for both first and second time moms, how do you do it? Like literally, how is it done? How often do we do it? How do we get these awesome results? And I am going to demonstrate, not using myself, obviously. Sorry if you were looking for a free show. Nope, we're gonna use a clementine. Take your coconut oiled thumb and place it inside the vaginal opening, no more than an inch or so. Then with a hooking motion, pull down and out for about a minute or so, then move to the side for another minute and work your way around 5 to 10 minutes in total. And I hate to break it to you, it should be uncomfortable. I mean, you're preparing your skin for your baby's head, so we should really call it a perineal stretch because it does not feel like the nice, relaxing massage that you're used to. But you will thank yourself later. As for how often to do it, this was kind of weird, but the review found that twice a week was the most effective, and weirdly enough, more is not better. In fact, doing the massage any more than twice a week was found to have the opposite effect, and women had more tearing and more perineal pain, so you really want to stay in that sweet spot of twice a week. So yes, in summary, the perineal massage is effective at reducing tearing for first-time moms, and it can lower perineal pain for second-time moms. We went over how to do it, that hooking motion, and that it should not be done more than twice a week. Start the massage at week 35 of your pregnancy, and you should be golden. The app Natural Birth by Echo also has a pregnancy timeline that takes you through when in your pregnancy you should start the perineal massage, as well as other little tricks that are really going to help you prepare your body and your brain for a positive and powerful unmedicated birth. If you liked this video, you are going to love my other stuff, so hit subscribe to get the information you need for an awesome natural birth, and I will see you next time.